Alright guys, the best strategy for programmatic SEO in 2026. So first thing first, you need to have unique data or generic content. So AI produces a generic content without any examples, without any experiences. You get what I'm saying, right? But how is it unique to millions of SEO writers who are using ChatGPT to produce the same article on the same keyword, right? So what you can do is focus on datasets, API integrations, or user-generated content to ensure each page provides unique value, preventing penalties for thin content. Now, what does this mean is add some human experience and add some human examples. So there should be some human touch. And then we have got the next, which is high intent. So we have got the next high intent buffer focus. So target bottom of the funnel keywords such as comparison pages like tool A and tool B or niche specific guides. So you can go and create a funnel content like we have a seed keyword. So let me just write here. We have a seed keyword, and based on seed keyword we have pillar content, pillar topic, and then from the pillar topic we have subtopics, and then subtopics. So if you combine all this, it should be something around 20 articles interlinking to each other. Then you're good to go. And then next we have got AI enhanced human templates. Use AI to generate content with human verified high quality structures. Avoid fully automated unchecked content. Like you can use AI generated, but as I said, in order to turn this into experience, humanized, you can add something like this in a prompt. Okay, create interactive utility driven pages like calculator generators that encourage engagement and higher intention. Now Google wants users to spend more time on your page. Okay, so that's how they benefit from. So once they spend more time, how are we gonna make them spend more time? So we can create tools and calculate. This is one of the way, but if you want to know more ways, then let me know in the comments. And then we have got the rich schema markup. So implement advanced structured data for each page type, FAQ, product, local business to enhance search visibility. So you can simply do that by asking AI to generate a schema markup of others. You can use automated tools like this to automatically generate a schema whenever it is publishing article to WordPress automatically. So I do the automation, and the link will be in the description. You can use that. Good luck.